This is another interesting one. Can you do it? Let's see. How many grams of ozone? Ozone is O3. Okay. That's one thing that's helping us on Earth. So how many grams of ozone can be produced from 5 grams of oxygen based on this reaction? Hopefully after learning, how this reaction works with some guidance, right, we'll be able to use the oxygen that we have, maybe from plants. Plants give out oxygen, right? And then somehow convert it to more ozone and then probably help our ozone layer, right? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we need to balance this equation first. This is O2 to give O3. And basically, I think I'll just switch the numbers here. Make this 3, make this 2. So both of them is 6 now. Yeah. How many grams of ozone, that's O3, can be produced from 5 grams of oxygen based on this reaction? Great. So let's take that 5 grams of oxygen and convert it to moles, okay? I'll be dividing that by 32, which is the molar mass of O2. O2, oxygen is 16, right? So 16 times 2, 2 times 16, that's what that. And then that's why I divided by 32. So this is the moles of oxygen, right? We're trying to figure out how many grams of ozone will be formed. So let's figure out what moles of ozone will be created first. And then that would be 5 divided by 32, whatever that gives us. We'll multiply it by 2 and then divide it by 3, which is this, by the way. So calculate all that stuff and then you have 0.104166 in moles. This is the mole of ozone that is created. We're asked to find the grams, the mass of ozone. So, what do you think we need to do to finish this up? Ozone would have a molar mass of 3 multiplied by 16. It should be about 48 grams per mole. And the mass of ozone will therefore be the moles of ozone multiplied by the molar mass, which is 48. We just got the moles of ozone here, 0.104166. And we multiply that by, 48, which is the molar mass, to help us get the mass. I hope this stuff makes sense. It's easy, right? 5 grams. So, see how it even gave us the 5 grams again. Is that not interesting? So that's this question 69. It's funny how 6 and 9 are like almost just like in different positions, and then O2 and O3 are like the same thing but arranged sort of differently, and then we end up having the same 5 and 5 from the question. It became the answer. I think I really like. I think the coincidence here are so much. So that's really nice. So if you found that interesting, you can give it a like as well. And I'll see you guys on question 70. If you need a tutor for your chemistry, or maths actually, I think there's also maths available. You can go up on our website, copychemistry.com, and book a lesson from there. Okay. And I'll see you on 70.